I had a long history of being told that there was nothing wrong with me, even though I only got my period about maybe twice a year if I was lucky, and had gone through many tests with different OBGYNs and kind of ultimately kept getting told the same thing over a 4.5-year time period, although I knew there was always something not quite right. And so it was suggested to me that I see a fertility specialist, and when I did, I finally got some answers. I was diagnosed with polycystic ovarian syndrome within maybe about 2 weeks after that initial visit, following up with a couple of different tests and blood work and things like that, although Dr. Schillings did tell me in probably that first visit that she was fairly certain that that's what I had. And we started our first round of insemination in the month of June of 2010 and became pregnant, the second insemination. So it was really pretty much a very swift process for us. My first visit at RMA, I was here for a couple of hours, which really surprised me. Normally, when you go to a doctor's office of any kind, you wait in the waiting room longer than you actually talk to anyone, and you still usually leave with so many unanswered questions. But it was the complete opposite here. She went through my whole 4.5-year history of everything with me, and just really took a lot of notes, asked me a lot of questions, and she immediately went into, here are some tests that I think we should do. Are you okay with doing some of them today? If you're not, that's fine, and if you are, that's fine too. So we did go ahead and do some of those tests right away and really got a lot of answers in that very, very first visit, which was pretty unexpected for me because, like I said, it's not what you normally have when you visit any doctor of any kind. I mean, ultimately, regardless of what you decide to do, at least get the answers and know what your options are. And then obviously whatever you choose to do is up to you, but we had a very good experience. And I think just having the answers and knowing what's the best course of treatment for you personally is the best recommendation for anybody that's having trouble.